Hope I don't make this longer than 8 minutes, but ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another Walk and Talk. I'm here in a different spot, a more closed-in area, and I'm not sure what the hurricane did to this section, but I do come here and walk at this park. Normally I walk at 3 parks, and I alternate. Now I got a 4th park to walk in. Which hand do you find comfortable holding your poles in? I'm sorry, there we go. I think I find it more comfortable with my right hand today. Take note, you may see butterflies, dragonflies. That's what they're known here for. It's not a mile-long walk. It's humid. And yeah, they do got some cleaning up to do. And I like this park. It's relaxing. But I don't feel 100% safe at times. Because you don't know what's going to be around the corner, and you're the only car here. And you do find some junk hanging around. Anyway, I did my comparison review here last year, I think it was, with the GoPro Hero 5 session, and I compared it to another camera, and the camera died on me. But I did the GoPro Hero 5 and the Yi 4K, and that's all I can say. Look up, look around. That tree looks like it's not that alive, but you can hear the cicadas chirping. They got these little tags on the trees. I'm not sure why. Maybe they're going to clean them up. So you can see it's really heavy. Got a nice flower right there. Coming up ahead is going to be a little boardwalk. That's why I like going to the Wakachakachobi wetlands. Say that 3 times fast. And it's open, it's irrigated, you see the water, turtles, birds, a lot of action. It becomes very busy, could be very crowded there at times. Uprooted tree. You could just about hear the traffic in the distance. And this is what I like. I like it to be nice and quiet. I don't know if that was a big mosquito or not. Lucky me, I got the pole out. Place you could stop and stop the spider webs. It's wet, so I'm not the only one who walked here today. It looked like, I'd say, 3 people. I'm almost out of here, believe it or not, and I'm halfway finished with the park. And that's what walking talks are about, and showing 360, enjoying the scenery. I want to get this done before the chapter's over, so this way I don't have to split the video and add it in there. It's a lot of work. You want to avoid this area sometimes because Zika virus is out here. Maybe that was cleaned up with the hurricane. You look over here, this is the first for me seeing it wet. Normally it's all dry. It's not going to be a great place to walk. I don't know if it just rained, that's why it's wet, or just from the past. Now you're in a nice wide open area and the sun's right up ahead. That's why I got my sunglasses on. I am going to look into Power Director 16 Ultimate later on when Cyberlink gets back to me. If they grant me, then I don't have to purchase. If they decline me, then it's a decision I will have to make. They already set in stone the prices. If I walk this way, I'm more or less getting out of the park, and you can see that ends over there. So we'll back up. I normally know where that route goes to. That goes to the complex. So some people would have asked me that question anyway. So I made the mistake by going there. So we're almost out of here. It's going to walk me by the little canal. And you can take your smartphone and you can listen to these things right here. And they tell you little stories of the place. It's a nice walk. It's an enjoyable walk. Nice afternoon to come out, sit and relax. Finally the cicada stopped making its noise. So as I was walking out of the other trail, you could see towards the left, that's where it would have been. There's a little path to go in. Duck on the fence, ugly duckling there. Little dragonflies right in front. Ducks in the canal. That's it, ladies and gentlemen. That's the walk. That's the talk. It's not a bad walk. Pretty well kept, pretty well clean this time around. I shared my fun. Hopefully this is a video to your liking. I do apologize for the poll and the webs that you got hit, that I got hit. So you ever get down to a place that you want to share with everybody, check it out. It's always good memories. One thing I did, I had an older camera, Aptec ISDV. I did my bike rides. And what I wanted to do was put it on a big TV screen, 640 by 480, ride my bike and let the video play. So I just ride along where I used to be, so I can never get back there again. Time for a repeat performance, if you ask me. Thank you very much for joining me at the park. Have a great day and enjoy.